Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. The 2025 Kia Sportage is here, and it's taking the compact SUV market by storm with a stylish new design and a host of innovative features. Kia has redefined what a modern SUV can be, packing the Sportage with a sleek look, advanced technology, and impressive performance, making it a top contender for anyone looking for both style and substance. In this review, we'll dive into why the 2025 Sportage deserves a serious look. From the outside, the new Sportage stands out with its bold design, featuring a distinctive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sleek lines that give it a sporty yet refined look. It's clear that Kia has taken a daring approach to the SUV's exterior, setting it apart from the competition with a more aggressive and dynamic appearance. This is an SUV that demands attention on the road. Step inside, and the 2025 Sportage continues to impress with its high-quality interior. The cabin is spacious, with comfortable seating for 5 and plenty of headroom and legroom, making it perfect for both long trips and daily commutes. Kia has integrated soft-touch materials, leather options, and a range of interior color choices to give the interior a premium feel, proving that they're as committed to comfort as they are to style. Tech enthusiasts will love what the 2025 Sportage has to offer. The SUV comes with a dual 12.3-inch touchscreen setup, one for the instrument cluster and one for infotainment, creating a futuristic and user-friendly dashboard. With features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Kia's advanced UVO system, staying connected and entertained on the go is easier than ever. Plus, the voice-activated commands and optional premium sound system add to the high-tech vibe. Under the hood, the new Sportage offers a range of engine options to suit different driving needs. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine provides smooth and efficient power for everyday driving, while the available hybrid option offers an eco-friendly choice with excellent fuel efficiency and a surprisingly punchy performance. Kia has managed to strike a balance between power and efficiency, making this SUV a great fit for various lifestyles. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Sportage is equipped with Kia's latest safety suite, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These advanced safety features make every drive in the Sportage more secure, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. It's evident that Kia has gone the extra mile to ensure safety is a priority in this model. In conclusion, the 2025 Kia Sportage is a remarkable SUV that blends style, comfort, and technology seamlessly. Kia has raised the bar, creating a vehicle that appeals to both the head and the heart. If you're in the market for a compact SUV with a modern edge, the 2025 Sportage should be at the top of your list. With its refined aesthetics, impressive tech, and solid performance, it's a smart choice for anyone seeking a next-generation driving experience.